See you guys. There's no rain around here. Right here. Look at the bird. Rain? Look at that. No rain. Whoa, no rain. Hold on, wait. You know, the sign's too dark. It's too dark right there, you guys. Fucking tired though. Fucking tired, man. There's no fucking rain, guys. So fireworks right there, y'all. Other than that, we go fireworks and all kind of other shit. I'm sorry, you guys. You guys in Louisville. Woo! Look like Las Vegas. Woo! Las Vegas, dude. Woo! Fucking A, man. Fucking A. Let's go to this fucking store, man. It's fucking no rain, man. Look, no rain. Fucking. It's no fucking rain.